fourth part of the book The Law of Attraction by Mitesh Khatri and Indu Khatri. There are many examples of successful people who knew that their success was inevitable. They know what it is important to feel, think, believe, and act as if they are already successful in what they want. This is not what most people do. Most people have negative feelings like fear, jealousy, helplessness, impatience to achieve their goals. They think negative thoughts like, what if I don't get what I want? It is very difficult to get what I want. Life is not fair. It will take too much time, etc. With such feelings, thoughts, and beliefs, people have negative actions which take them in the opposite direction from their goals. If you feel, think, believe, and act negatively, negative frequency people and situation will get attracted to you like a magnet. For example, if you FTBA as if you always meet people who cheat you, you will attract people who will cheat you. If you feel, think, believe, and act positive frequency people and situations will get attracted to you like a magnet. For example, if you FTBA as if you always meet good people, you will attract good people in your life. A lot of my law of attraction participants ask me, from where do we attract such situations and people? Well, positive and negative frequencies are always around you. It is you who tunes into them and attracts them. When you tune in a radio, the matching frequency is always around you. It is just that your radio tunes into it. That is why it is called tuning into the right frequency. Similarly, negative and positive people are always around. You just tune into them. Haven't you seen some people experiencing good luck while others experience bad luck within the same environment or office? How does that happen? It is because one person unconsciously tunes into the negative frequency and thus attracts all the bad luck despite the hard work they do. Another person may be tuned into positive frequency and thus attracts all the good luck despite being ordinary at their work. Do you now see how we may be unconsciously using the law of attraction against ourselves, even at an unconscious level? Whatever we feel, think, believe, and act, we attract the same. Thus, we are responsible for the quality of life that we attract, whether it is positive or negative. Nothing can come to you unless we are vibrating at its matching frequency. So, once again, how do we tune into the exact frequency of our goals? The way to tune into the exact frequency of our goals is to feel, think, believe, and act as if you already have it. As long as we are alive, we generate positive or negative frequency with our FTBAs all the time. Have you ever been secretly angry with a friend? Have you noticed that after a few days you see a change in his behavior towards you as if he knows that you are having negative thoughts about him? If you have asked yourself, how did your friend feel something is wrong even though you did not say anything? That is because when you started vibrating at a negative energy frequency towards him, you transmitted that frequency to him. And since all of us are made of the same energy, it is easy for us to sense each other's frequencies, especially if we are close friends. Similarly, if you think negatively about your boss, you will transmit negative energy to him and he will respond with similar energy frequency through his FTBAs. If you feel low, bored, or frustrated for some reason, be assured that it will attract its matching frequency to you in the form of people and situations which we generalize as bad luck. If you feel happy, peaceful, and confident. You will transmit this positive energy in your environment and attract people and situations that have the same positive energy. This is how we unconsciously attract positive things in life, which we then call good luck. Here is an example of Madhusudan. He approached me for coaching when he was unable to get a job. Madhu came to me because had left his job 3 months ago, and since then he had given more than 10 interviews, but he was unable to get employment anywhere. During our coaching, I asked him how he felt, thought, believed, and acted at the time he left his previous job. This was his answer about feelings stressed, were overwhelmed, unhappy, frustrated, helpless, and angry. He hated his job. Thoughts, there is too much politics here. Boss is very dominating. Colleagues are not good people. Too much work pressure. There is no growth here. About beliefs, this is my bad luck, not possible to be happy in such a company. I always get people who take advantage of me. It is better not to have a job than work for a company like this. Actions, going to the office unwillingly, working without passion, arguing with colleagues, screaming about the organization, looking for another job. Finally, he resigned without having a job in hand. Looking at this table, Madhusudan realized why he was facing problems in his previous job. With such a negative FTBA frequency, it was natural to attract negative people and situations, which made him leave his job. It I helped Madhusudan discover that based on his current FTBAs, it was not possible for him to attract a job. You cannot attract positive frequency while being tuned into a negative frequency. He was tuned into not having a job. No wonder he did not clear any of his interviews. It was a case of wrong frequency, not bad luck. Unconsciously, he was using his FTBS to attract more and more negativity in his life. Madhusudan now understood why he was not getting a job, but his question was how to tune into the right frequency to attract a job. The answer is the same as earlier. Feel, think, believe, and act as if you already have the job. I asked Madhusudan how he would feel, think, believe, and act as if he had already cleared an interview for his dream job that he was supposed to join in a week. This was his answer about feelings: happy, excited, grateful, relieved, relaxed, satisfied, and looking forward to join his new office next week. About thoughts: finally, I have got a job. Thank God. Was really lucky to get a job in such a big company. I am sure I will find good people, good work, and a great boss in this new company. I will do my work with passion this time. About beliefs, life is good. I will have a great career path in this company. It's a great new beginning for me. I deserved this opportunity. Actions, get up early every day so I get used to getting up early by my joining date. I will go shopping for some new shirts for the first day of my job. I will celebrate with my friends and family. I will start reading my work related books to upgrade myself. This was the required FTBA frequency. I helped him to use a visualization technique to imagine all the above as if he already has his dream job with the salary that he had in mind. After using the visualization technique, he felt wonderful and realized the importance of feeling positive in order to attract a job. He then practiced this new FTBA frequency for a week and got his dream job in just a week after that. Will be continued in next part. Thank you.